In this tutorial, we're going to look at the email helper in CodeIgniter. I'm here on CodeIgniter's site on the email helper page, and inside this helper class there is two helper functions. One is valid email and the other one is send email. You'll see here that it says for a more robust email solution, see CodeIgniter's email class. So I'm not going to cover this one, and from the times I've worked in CodeIgniter before, I've always used stuff from this email class, so I'm not going to cover this one. But what I will cover is this valid email function. So let's jump over to the code, and I'm going to start at the controller. And the first thing we need to do is load in the email helper. And once that's loaded in, we're going to go over to the view. And what I'm going to do first here, just to have a comparison, I'm first checking out this function I found on stackoverflow.com by Gilly B, and the function is called isValidEmail, and it takes one parameter, which is the email address, and inside we have the PHP's native preg match function. First parameter is regular expression, and the second parameter is the email in question. Okay, so what I did was I tested this on three different emails, which was Anthony@ProCCovers.com, and Anthony@ProCCovers.travel, and Anthony@China.com.cn. So we have some different stuff here. This is a valid email. There's a couple of weird domain extensions, which is like .travel and .museum, and so they are valid emails. So we need these valid emails. So whatever's after this dot, it has to accept something up to 6 characters because of .travel and .museum. And then I'm also testing it on this China one, which is also valid, and it has 2 points in it. And we're just echoing it out. We're basically just checking if it's true or not. If it's true, it returns valid. If it's not true, it returns not valid. Let's check it out. Okay, and we can see here that this function says Anthony@ProCCovers.travel is not valid. Okay, so I don't blame this guy, because these are very difficult to write, and this regular expression can be changed by adjusting here. But I just wanted to check that out, and now we're going to compare it against CodeIgniter's valid email function to see how that worked out in this test. So I'm going to uncomment that, and basically the same thing is going on here. If it's true, returning valid. If it's not true, returning not valid. Let's see how that went. And we can see here that it did very well. This is valid, and this is valid.